Hello, welcome back to our channel. My name is Paula and I have received my Glitzglambox. And not only have I received my Glitzglambox, I received my Double the Glam. If you want to see what's inside my Glitzglambox and what is Double the Glam, then keep watching. If you haven't already, or you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button and ring that bell. Help a girl out on her channel. And if you like things about makeup box subscription unboxings, makeup tips, tricks, and just ideas about what to do from someone who is not a makeup artist, but is a normal person just like you working on learning how to apply makeup, then give me a thumbs up. The Glitzglambox is a once-a-month subscription for $15. And you get 4 items and usually 1 glitter. They usually put a glitter in it. So let me cut into this thing. Uh-oh, I think I might have cut something off. I might have needed to be more careful. Okay. Oh, so here it says Glitz Glam. We don't do basics. We don't do basic. And I think this might be, maybe this was my double the order one. Hey, let's see. This might have been my double the order. Yes. This is my double the order. So I'm going to do it after I do the real box. Okay. So now here is the real Glitzglambox. That's for $15 a month. And you always get lashes too, which I've been wearing lashes. I used to not wear lashes, but I've been practicing putting them on, and I have them on right here. And if you want to see my very first time trying to put them on, I'll put a link to it right here. I've gotten a whole lot better though. Okay. So if something didn't fit in the little packaging, but that's okay. And here it is. It's all done. Glitzglambox. We don't do basic. Caution, this package contains ultimate glam. Isn't that cute? And then here is the card that tells me all about it. And it's a summer soiree. And look at that. All the stuff that's in there. This talks about the glam menu. Shop till you drop at Glitz Glam. And then it's a summer soiree. I like the soiree. I like this, the colors on their card. It's really neat. Okay, so the first one are the lashes. And look how cute this is. It's an ice cream. I love it. Okay, so here are the ice cream lashes. And aren't they just so cute? You really don't want to take them out of that. They're so cute. They're $8.99, and it's a J lash, 3D faux mink lashes in style sprinkle. So it's in the style sprinkle. Aren't those cute? Those are so cute. So to double the glam, I added some more lashes to it, and so because there was choices of different lashes that might come out. And so I added some more lashes to my order, so that'll be in my double the glam. Now let's see what's wrapped up in this little package here. It's all confetti. Okay, this is a diamond matte gloss, a double matte gloss lip duo. Vermilion Cosmetics. Why there's a upside down, sorry. That's why there's a V on there for Vermilion Cosmetics. Diamond matte lipstick plus gloss topper. 18 to 24 hour wear time. And it is $28. And that looks, oh, that's the gloss end with that brush in it. So, and there's it's kind of a pinky color. Let's see. And it is the color Candy. Well, of course, it's the color Candy. What else would we expect it to be? Okay, I'm not going to open it right now and swatch it just because I have a lot of lipsticks open and I don't want it to ruin, but I'm really excited to get to try it. That lip gloss and stuff. And pink is one of my colors. So, okay, thank you. Thank you, Let's Glam. Okay, and the next one is the glitter, and it is so cute. Look. Shade Tequila Sunrise. And I haven't been opening the glitter because I've been just giving them to some friends that do use it, or their daughters use it. But I want to open this one. Look. It looks like a little ice cream cone to go with their theme, the summer soiree. And it's a summer sunrise. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? I'm going to have to learn how to use the glitter. Very pretty. I do like that. Okay, and the glitter, oh, and it even says that it's a Glitz Glitter Pop. Very good. It's $9.99. And then here is Buzzed and Blushed Palette. It's got champagne, Bellini, Paloma Punch, Martini, Margarita, Pink Lady. Buzzed and Blushed. How cute is that? Okay, let me see if I can get it open. Oh, it's taped shut. Get my scissors. I like that. I know that nobody's been in it, especially with all the things that's going on today in the world. Okay, let's look at the colors. There they are. Aren't they pretty? Kind of even got a purpley one looking in here. You know, I'm going to a wedding this weekend, and my dress kind of has purple in it and a little bit of this color. And I think it's supposed to be a pinky, but on the camera it really comes off like it's a purpley color. I may have to try that. I'm going to go ahead and swatch it. Oh, it's so light though, you don't even see it. I was hoping it would be, well, it's buildable. I could build it up. I'll have to see if it goes with my dress. If it does, I'll show y'all. This one's a matte. That was a matte one. This one has more of a shimmer in it. And this is the one with the shimmer that I did, and then the matte. And then the others kind of look peachy. And I am the one that did that right there. I messed it up. Okay, and this palette, the Buzzed and Blushed palette, is $9.99. So we got 1, 2, 3. Oh, and the lip gloss. Okay, so we got 4 items. I paid $15 for all of them, and I got all 4 items. It comes to a total of $56.97. What do you think? What do you think? Did I get my $15 worth? I do. I love it all, and I think it's just the cutest packaging, and how fun is it? So I'm anxious to get to try a lot of them. And the eyelashes that I have on today are from one of my Glitzglambox boxes. They came in this one, Glitzglambox Never Basic Lashes. And so those are the ones that I have on today. Like I say, I've not been doing them a lot, but I've been working on getting better at them. So, and it's getting so much fun. I doubled the glam, and what it is you can go in and you can see what's being offered. And if you want to add something to it, you can get something different. This one is from Glamlight, and it's a Glamlight gloss. I have tried some Glamlight glosses, and I will leave a link to it right here. And I love it. And this is a Milkshake Lips. And isn't that cute with the little milkshake? The other one was like a cinnamon roll, and what was it? A cinnamon roll and s'mores. They smell just like them, so I'm thinking this is going to smell like a lip gloss. And, oh, look at it. The packaging is so pretty. And it's glittery. I like that. Oh, and it's got a mirror on it for you to put it on. Oh, goodness. And there's the applicator. See, you can put it on now. Carry it in your purse, and you don't have to carry another mirror. Oh, let me smell it. Oh, it doesn't smell. Yeah, it does. Just real light. Okay, so here is the swatch. And you might want to wear this one over another one if you want a brighter color. But it's got a pink glitter. Isn't that pretty? I like that. Okay, the next one is, this is from Lash, Butterfly Effect Lashes. 3D Ultra Volume Lashes. It's a set of two. One's called Daisy and one's called Sunrise, and it tells me about them. Daisy is a beautiful classic faux mink lash style that is suitable for any occasion you can think of. Wear these to your next event and be ready to get many compliments. And that's Daisy, the one here on top. Look how full they are. Okay, now let's read about Sunshine. Sunshine is a super dramatic lash style that will give the extra drama you need in any makeup looks. These will make your eyes look so glam. How fun. And they come in like a butterfly. I'm going to close it. Next one is Fly Like Butterfly Lashes. Let's see what styles these are. That other one was, there we go. This one's called Lily and Dreamy. Lily looks like a everyday one. Dreamy looks extra long. Lily is a beautiful classic lash style that is versatile and suitable for any occasion. These lashes will give you the cute yet sexy look. Dreamy is a dramatic 25mm lash style that is full and fluffy. These will give your eyes the dreamy look, ready to get some compliments. How fun. That's why I wanted to go ahead and add some more eyelashes. It's because I kind of wanted to start playing with them and see all the different looks and everything. So I love them. Do you wear lashes? Are you interested in the Glitzglambox? I'll put a link below. I am not affiliated with them. I don't get any kind of kickback or anything. They're just a great bunch of ladies working hard to make ends meet just like we are. But good products, good price. I think I well got my $15 worth. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. I am also doing a drawing for a giveaway, and in each video I'm giving a code word or a keyword for you to put in the comments. So if you made it this far, then you got it, and you're going to be able to put it in there. And the word is lashes. If you'll put the word lashes in the comments, you'll be entered in the drawing to win some makeup. I also did it in my previous video, so if you want to go check those out and get another entry, and I'm going to be recording a few more today. So good luck, and remember to put lashes in the comments. If you liked this video, remember to give me a thumbs up. It helps me out on my YouTube channel. And remember, be the beauty you are meant to be. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.